Hi there, students. A counterpart. Okay, a counterpart is a noun. Normally, a counterpart is a person, or it can be a thing, that has the same purpose as something else, but in a different place or a different organization. So I was thinking about the brakes on a bicycle. You've got one brake shoe on one side and its counterpart on the other side. Or maybe the Prime Minister is meeting with his counterparts, his European counterparts, people in the same position. So the other Prime Ministers, the other presidents of European countries, and these are counterparts. Something in the same position or has the same purpose as something somewhere else or someone in a different organization. Yeah, maybe two parts that fit together as well, that complement each other. So yeah, for example, a door handle. Well, you put your door handle in, but it has its counterpart on the other side, the other part that fits together. Yeah? Somebody who has the corresponding function in another organization. So I went to negotiate with my counterpart in another company, somebody with the same job, with the same function. Yeah. Okay, so their foreign minister is the counterpart of or to our Secretary of State. Yeah. Our opposite number. Yeah. Okay, our equivalent. Yeah. So yes, the factory owners in this country are unhappy with the banking system, although I think their counterparts in India might have a different opinion of their banking system. So their peers, if you like, somebody who is in the same position, their analogue, if you like. Okay, yes. The American teenagers are allowed to drive cars from the age of 16. However, their British counterparts have to wait until they're 18. Okay, so the corresponding people in the UK, yeah? Okay, so a person that corresponds to or has the same function as a person in another situation. Yeah, or maybe a counterpart, something that fits together very well. So in a film, you could have a lead actress and her male counterpart, something that completes to make up one unit. Yeah. Or two things that are very similar. So, for example, a crow is very often confused with its larger counterpart, a raisin. Sorry, a raven, not a raisin. A raisin's a dry grape. Okay, so a counterpart. Yeah, the general of the British Army and his counterpart would be a French general. So something or a person that's identical or closely resembling something else. Yeah. I'm also thinking when you used to make carbon copies, you had a piece of paper and you put a piece of carbon paper in the one over the top, and then you wrote on it. So this would be the original, and the one at the back would be its counterpart. Yeah, its copy, its duplicate. Okay, so a counterpart. Yeah, counterparts, two things that fit together. Counterpart, formality. I think this is neutral formality. I would give it 5, and I would use it anywhere. And then as to origin, well, counter comes from French contre, facing, opposite, which comes from Latin contra, against. And then parti, another person, or a counter, or partire in Latin, to divide. So the opposite part of something divided into two. So there we go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Counterpart.